Good afternoon to all my wonderful viewers out there, and welcome back to another unboxing video, the series where I unbox my various streetwear, sneaker, and sometimes even jewelry purchases on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the First Arrows extra small feather charm earrings that I purchased from First Arrows. I mean, that's no surprise, is it? But they do sell their brand at boutiques. So I could have actually bought it from, I think, one of two boutiques in Australia that actually sells First Arrows. But yeah, guys, what happened is my initial plan was to save up a bunch of money and replace all three of my earrings here, well, my ear piercings here, with First Arrows ear piercings. But what happened about a week ago was the one on my right here, the top of it actually came off, and I have no idea where. I don't know if it's inside the house, outside my house, it's gone. So it's literally just hanging on the back of the piercing, and it's got nothing stopping it from essentially falling out. So I thought, well, I don't have a lot of time to replace that piercing, and I definitely don't want it to fall out and it to heal shut. So I need to speed up my initial plan. So instead of replacing all three, I'm just going to be replacing the first two, the first, I guess, one on each side with these earrings that I bought today. Well, bought at least 8 days ago, I suppose, that I've got today, I should probably say. These earrings are feather, little charm kind of dangling ones, not super dramatic, not ones that are going to like dangle down here or anything, just probably dangle a little bit down here. But I bought obviously the left and the right one individually on about the 20th of February, and then they shipped them out, I think on a Sunday actually, which was quite surprising. I didn't know that Japan's shipping was open on a Sunday, but they shipped it out on a Sunday, or at least got the label done on a Sunday, and it's arrived on the 28th. A nice little Friday gift for myself. So I'm going to be unboxing that today. I'm going to be getting into it. I'm sure it's going to have all the lovely extras that First Arrows pieces have. But let's get into it today, guys. I'll unbox the piece, show you the piece, and then obviously show it on body as well. All right, get the trusty kitchen scissors out. It kind of looks like a lunch bag in a way. It's quite excessive for what is, you know, all things considered, two extra small earrings, but I'm not complaining. Extra isn't necessarily a bad thing. I mean, at least I know that it's kept very secure, although I am kind of looking at it like this is going to be a bit of a struggle to open, so I might just start cutting off the top of it and kind of taking it from there. But yeah, I'm really keen to swap out all my, I guess, ear-based jewelry with First Arrows pieces, because I mean, as you guys can see, and you've probably seen on the channel before, I've been rocking their ear clips for a while. Absolutely love them. It's one of my favorite jewelry pieces. So having the earrings was going to be the next step, right? Here we have it opened up, cut open. We've got an accidentally sliced envelope when I was opening it, but that's okay. I'm sure the contents is fine. Yep, we've got the lifetime guarantee. This talks about the details of how to put on certain pieces, like their bangles and things like that. You know, don't bend them certain ways because it ruins the integrity of the pieces. Ensure that you clean them, how to clean them. It's got all the details about how to care for them and stuff like that. So if you're ever wondering, that's the best way to find out. I should probably put it back into the chopped envelope that I just cut up, but that's perfectly fine. I'll get that sorted, put that back in here, and now we can move into the little package. Let's get it open here. All right, sweet. We've got First Arrows sealed with a little golden stamp, but that's okay. I can just slice that open with my trusty scissors and we'll get into it. Oh, nice. Okay. This is my first one that's come in a box. I'm so used to buying their rings and everything that have just come in like leather pouches, but I've never actually gotten something in a box before. So that's really nice. So there we go. First Arrows jewelry, we can see there. Awesome. Nice little embossed box, I'll say. I'll hopefully put it inside itself. And here we have, is it just one? Yeah, okay. It's just one. Again, as always, it's come in a little leather pouch. I'll, I guess, show you the details of that leather pouch as well. Fantastic. And then let's get into the actual pieces themselves. Do you know what's crazy? They said extra small, and I'm not mad about this. I'm actually really happy with the actual length of them, because I did look at the measurements and I was like, this doesn't seem very extra small, but it's probably extra small in the grand scheme of all their feather-based stuff, because they do feather-based things for necklaces and stuff, and they get massive. They get absolutely huge. So extra small in that, I can understand how this is seen as extra small, but I'll show you guys. I'll bring it out. We've got both of them in here. Here they are. We've got number one. Probably should put my hand behind it so you can actually see it and focus on it. There it is there. A lot more dangly than I initially thought. Not complaining though. And then piece number two. One's the right, one's the left. I wonder how you determine it though, because I don't want to put the right one in the wrong way and then realize it's the left one. You know? I mean, I can obviously take them out of my ear. That's not a problem, but like, you can get it right the first time. You're not going to complain about that, are you? Well, there we go. Made with their 95% silver. They look lovely in the sunlight. They look lovely in general. I'm very keen to put them in and see how they look on me. I'm just going to figure out how to determine which one's right and which one's left, and then take it from there. But I'll go chuck them in now, guys, and we'll take it from there. All right, everyone. I got them in. They're probably really hard to actually see unless I turn like side on and whatnot. Yeah, it's probably the best way to show them. But I love them. They're in, they're dangling. I just got to remember to take them out before I go to bed. I'm so used to having studs where, thankfully I wasn't taking them out most of the time because I was just like, I can't be bothered doing that. I'm just going to keep them in. But with these, with them dangling, like I don't want to rest on my ear and then pull on it. Like, ooh, that's one way to wake yourself up in the middle of the night. But I got them in. These were a pain in the ass to get out. Not the one that had lost the screw end to it. That one, perfectly fine. The one with the screw on it, that was like 10-15 minutes I'm never gonna get back. I was holding on to it, screwing it one way, screwing it the other way. I was probably tightening it for most of the part, but we finally got it out. I'm actually kind of keen for that because these loop in, or I should say hook in very easily, because these are such thick piercings as well. These being so thin, they just slid in. The hole in my ear is too big because of these bad boys here. So that'll be nice. They'll heal up a little bit. And it looks really lovely. I think it's fantastic. I would love to now get a necklace from First Arrows with a fantastic pendant attached to it. Like, I'm willing to go all out because I really like it, but I think I'm gonna get 2 studs from First Arrows to replace those back ones as well. They're gonna be so much more difficult to get out of my ear as well because they're actually a smaller piercing. And I mean, look, man, I just got big ass hands. Like, it's gonna be a struggle to try and get it out. Might need some help with that one or something, I don't know. We'll have to see. But all in all, very happy with them. I think they look fantastic. They're just very lovely earrings. They're gonna look awesome in all the outfits that I wear them with, which is basically my day-to-day, all day, every day. But I'd love to hear your thoughts, guys. I mean, they're gonna be a bit too feminine for some people, realistically. I totally understand that. Men wearing dangling earrings, I know, it's the end of the world. Let me know if it's a thumbs up for you or a thumbs down. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on the extra small feather charm earrings from First Arrows in that comment section below. But yeah, definitely going to be buying more from them. I mean, I love the brand. They have treated me well. Lovely pieces, made in a timely manner, awesome craftsmanship. I mean, there are various other brands that do essentially the same thing, which is like a reinterpretation of Native American jewelry in a way. But I don't know, I've kind of just stuck with them and been happy with them, to be honest. Good price point for what I'm buying. Really like that they use like a custom silver percentage for their pieces and stuff. It's just great. But yeah, definitely going to be coming back and buying them. I'd love to have a conversation with you guys in the comment section below if you've bought any pieces from them. I highly rate them. I recommend them. Definitely go buy a piece of First Arrows jewelry. Lovely brand. Lovely brand. But let me know if you've picked up anything from them down in that comment section below. And of course, if you guys want me to keep unboxing the various pieces that I pick up on the channel, you just got to give me the 3 indicators I always ask you for, which is a like on this video, a comment in that comment section down below, and if you haven't already, the best indicator you can give me is a subscribe to the channel. As mentioned in previous uploads, I'm trying to hit the subscriber milestone of 3,925 subscribers before the end of February. We are literally less than 4. Less than 4 away. Hopefully with your guys' continuous support, we can reach that milestone before the end of the month. But that is everything I have to say about the pieces, guys. I love them. I'm going to be picking more of them up. I've got the feather earrings to match the feather cuffs, to match the feather rings, you know, it's all coming together. That's why I was talking about the necklace. That's the next thing, right? Yeah, or maybe the bracelets. I'm gonna be addicted, I know. Yeah, until then, guys, until the next unboxing video, until the next First Arrows video, until the next streetwear talk video in general, I'll catch you later.